Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is a small and a short video about one of the queries that I've received from so many people of you, be it on my Instagram, on the emails, and as well as on the YouTube comments. So I thought it's high time that I make a short video on explaining to you what does contact NCR slash Lavasa campus basically mean. In this video, I will cover up everything that you need to know because I know a lot of you people have received this as a message from official Christ University. Hence, I would be clearing all your doubts that you've got. But before that, congratulations, guys, once again. What a beautiful morning and the last night that I've had. My phone hasn't stopped ringing. The YouTube comments are flooded, and so is my emails of all you people who've made it through round 2. So congratulations, guys. I couldn't have been happier, and you totally deserve the success and the hard work that you've put in. I know a lot of you people have been benefited from my personal mocks, and I'm just glad to read those emails about all you people thanking me, saying that Bhaiya, thank you so much for telling us our mistakes and where did we go wrong. We actually did really well in the interview. So many questions were the same ones that you asked in the mocks and all of that. So congratulations, guys. Thank you so much for sharing all the love and the success with me. It truly means a lot to me. For all the people who haven't received the results yet, please keep calm. Don't worry, you will receive it sooner than later. Okay. Coming to the most important part of this video, which is what does it basically mean when it says that you have not been selected for your preference, or you haven't got the campus of Bangalore campus and things like that. So guys, you have to understand that Christ University has two off campuses. One is the NCR campus, which is in Ghaziabad, and the second one is in Lavasa, which is near to Pune. I've already made up detailed videos on the same. You can surely go check it out, and it will provide you all the details about the campus, the life, and each and everything. Coming to this, which basically means is that you haven't made it through the Bangalore campus, or you haven't been selected in the Central campus or the BGR campus or the Kengeri campus of Christ University for the course that you had applied to. Okay, now what it means is that you can register for the NCR slash Lavasa campus. I know there are a lot of queries that people don't know how to go about it. What does it basically mean? So it means that you are free to apply or register for the Delhi NCR slash Lavasa campus for the same or similar course. Guys, it's really important to understand that maybe Christ University's NCR campus or Lavasa campus does not have the same course that you've applied for, but they might have a similar course, okay, in either of the two campuses, so you can apply for that. It's on the first come first serve basis. Even a lot of people in round 1, when they did not get the preference, campus preference of their own choice, they were again allowed to register for the NCR slash Lavasa campus. So are you people, and it's on the first come first serve basis. Now a lot of people have asked me, Bhaiya, do we have to give entrance test again? Do we have to give the CUET again? Do we have the interview again or micro presentations again? So the answer to that is no, guys. You do not have to give any entrance test, interview, or micro presentation for the off campuses of Christ University. The thing that you've already given, be it the CUET interview and micro presentation, is taken as the admission criteria for these two NCR as well as Lavasa campus. So you don't have to go through the whole process again. All you have to do is very simple. You have to send the email to the registered email ID of NCR or Lavasa campus for whichever same or similar course that you're applying for in either of the two campuses. I think they would give you or ask you to fill up a Google form or something like that, okay, in which you would have to provide all your details and things. So you do that, and once you do that, after some time, once the university has calculated the number of registrations they've got, the number of seats that are left and everything like that, they will get back to you about whether you have a seat at the NCR or the Lavasa campus for the same or the similar course or not. Again, guys, don't take it for granted that you will surely have the seat at NCR or Lavasa campus, because a lot of people who have been rejected or been not given the campus preference of their choice would also be applying or registering for the NCR slash Lavasa campus, and again they also have limited number of seats, right? It's not like it's totally unlimited, so it's on first come first serve basis. So do apply and keep it as a backup option. For all the other personal guidance and doubt clearing, guys, you can book up the session with me. which will be a 30-minute individual one-on-one call with me. I've already been getting in touch with a lot of people regarding a lot of doubts and questions that you have. A lot of people do not want to apply to Christ anymore and things like that. So I'm even helping them get to other colleges and which all colleges you should apply, all of those things. Likewise, a lot of other things. A lot of people have made it to 2 to 3 courses at Christ University and they don't know which one to join to. So for all those purposes, guys, trust me, the personal guidance and doubt clearing session would be really very beneficial for you. It's just 30 minutes call, but I'm pretty sure it will clear up all your doubts that you have. You're free to invite your parents, your siblings, and anybody and everybody whom you think will help you in the decision better on the call, and we all will mutually decide which is the best thing for you and what is the road ahead. So do book up your sessions as soon as possible so that I can help you guys and guide you guys better. I have already put down the link in the description below, so do check it out and see me soon. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was useful for all you people. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. Subscribe to my channel, and at the same time do press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates whenever I'm uploading any new video. Stay in touch, a lot of new videos are coming your way. Take care guys, bye bye.